Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we write a program in C language and check whether a number is odd or even. Now let's get started. First of all, we create a file. Let's say odd even file. And here we use .c because .c is the extension we used to save file in C language. Here we include int name. Here we declare a variable, let's say x. Now we take input from user by printf and scanf. And any number. Scanf %d ampersand x. Now we apply conditions if else. If x modulus 2 equal to 0. Here we check whether a number is divisible by 2. For this we apply modulus operator here. Now we print number is else. Printf number is odd. Now we return we run this code. Here you can see that it runs enter any number. It number is even. Now put some odd number, let's say 7. Number is odd. Thank you guys.